Welcome to Indian Cybersecurity Solutions Premier Institute for CCNA certification. Are you ready to launch your networking career? Our CCNA training program equips you with essential IT networking skills through hands-on practical training, ensuring you can apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Learn from industry experts with over a decade of experience. Our trainers work in top organizations, bringing valuable insights directly to the classroom. Some of our students' review are, before joining ICSS, I had minimal networking knowledge. Now I feel confident tackling complex challenges. Another added, the hands-on approach and real-time projects were game changers. I secured a job shortly after completing my training. With a 4.8 out of 5 rating and over 109,000 students enrolled, we offer 100% placement support. Our graduates work at companies like Google, Amazon, and TCS. Our comprehensive course covers everything from network fundamentals to advanced topics, preparing you for the global Cisco CCNA certification exam. Take the leap. Elevate your career with ICSS's comprehensive CCNA training program today.